Okay, so a different explanation, see if this fits, for why we include more values when we have that coefficient. Think about, and the easiest way maybe to explain this is with sine. Think about a sine wave. The sine wave goes like this, right? A non-transformed sine wave ends at 2 pi. If I do this, what does that do to the graph? Do you remember? It's inside the function, so it's horizontal. And instead of actually doubling it horizontally, it shrinks it. Remember how it's opposites day when we go inside the function? So sine of 2x completes the entire period in half the time. So if we're looking for answers to a double angle equation that fall between 0 and 2 pi, we can make 2 full rotations, 2 full periods of the function, right? And let's say we were looking for a value that's right here, a y value that's right here, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 answers to that problem. It's going to hit that y coordinate 4 times before it gets to 2 pi if we horizontally shrink the graph. So here's a different way of explaining why, and I know this is tangent, but this is why we have 4 solutions. Because a tangent wave, which we didn't talk about, is just like a big squiggly line that goes like this, and it just goes over and over and over again, okay? When we double the input, we shrink the period, and we can see more waves before we get to 2 pi. That's just a different way of explaining that idea.